happen. Another trip to the morgue, we all know why it's happening. Another bit by the dog, when there's nothing left to eat, I eat away at my soul. Feel destructive, cause I don't give a fuck if I go. I know y'all been told I don't give a fuck about living, killing other dogs, catching cats, chasing pigeons, got me itching to bring back the beast from within. When I catch, I'ma eat, in the streets I'ma win. I've been top dog, and I'm gonna stay top dog. So what the fuck you got to say, dog? You cats play games that dog ain't with. Suck my dick behind my back, dog ain't shit. Well, this is it. From now on, if you ain't out the camp, we out the bit. Put 'em up and get the trip, you bitch.
And the dog is out. And the dog is out. And the dog is out. And the dog is out.
Come on, come on.
And the dog is out. And the dog is out. And the dog is out. And the dog is out.
Come on, come on. I don't think you cats see too clearly. If it ain't that, you must be deaf. Cause y'all niggas don't hear me, but I know I got you scared to death. How many other niggas you know when you see them make you hold your breath? All a nigga did was take a pause. Did a couple of movies, and you thought this whole rap shit was yours? Stop being greedy. When was the last time you gave to the needy? Believe me, I run through niggas like hallways with the cops behind. Give it to a nigga all day cause I pops the 9. Man, listen, if you cats don't wanna see your man missing, man, listen up. I get low like a nigga in the up north flick, and still roll like a nigga on some up north shit. The way dog flip out, cats will never understand. Niggas be like, X, I thought I was your man. Nah.
And the dog is out. And the dog is out. And the dog is out. And the dog is out.
Come on, come on.
This is dedicated to.
What?
This is dedicated to.
The streets.
This is dedicated to.
Come on, my dogs is dogs that love to brawl. Bring as many as you got, cause we gon' fuck them all. Dick sucked in the hall. The same shorty that's putting in work on her knees, I'm ducking a call. A dog is a dog is a dog for life. Dog been a dog, dog in your wife. I got kids his age, but let him keep talking slick and I'm gon' put something hot up in his rib cage.
And the dog is out. And the dog is out.
Next up, Chicago.
It's such a long, long train ride. Such a long, lonely ride back home.
Now I know only I can stop the rain. It's not that we gotta do what we do, it's what we know. So to me it ain't nothing but being true. But now I know only I can stop the rain. It doesn't have to be the way it is, you say it is, just because for the past 20 years every day it is. Now I know only I can stop the rain. I wanna be able to walk out my front door without worrying about coming in conflict with the law. Cause now I know only I can stop the rain. If I follow him, they'll follow me, and I'll speak life into the word that you can see. Cause now I know only I can stop the rain. We get away with everyday shit, but everyday shit catches up to you. When it does, you can't say shit. Now I know only I can stop the rain. If I don't, you will. When I won't, you still. What makes us feel like we got to kill? When now I know only I can stop the rain. How many more lives must we lose? How many more times must we choose to trust these fools? Now I know only I can stop the rain. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I gave it to you straight, don't mix it. Twist it up on some slick shit.